So hey guys, welcome to Marwari Mehndi. In this video, we are going to perform a test on our product range of essential oils. Pure oils will never get bubbles after shaking them, but Henna oil will get some bubbles when we shake it because it must contain some chemical ingredient. So as you can see, this is our product range of essential oils. We have a premium aluminum packaging instead of a cheap plastic packaging. So without wasting any more time, let's do the test. So this is our lavender oil. It is mainly used in cosmetic purpose, in medical purposes, and in also used in henna. So let's start the test with lavender oil first. So as you can see, there is no bubble inside the oil, so it depicts that it's a 100% pure oil. Now let's do a paper test of lavender oil. So I have put a drop of a. So the second oil we are going to test is tea tree oil, and we are going to do the same test as we did to lavender, and it's pretty tight, so there's no sign of leakage. So as you can see, after shaking the bottle, there is no sign of any bubble here. So yeah, it's the proof that our oils are 100% pure and herbal. Now let's put a drop of it on the paper we have did to the lavender before. So I forget to tell you that the tea tree oil is mainly used in cosmetic purposes and in henna also. So by that being said, let's move to the next oil, which is eucalyptus oil, and we are going to perform the same test on this oil too. As you can see, the colors are accurate too, so there's no chance of any chemical impurities. Now we are going to shake the bottle, and you can see after shaking the bottle pretty hard, there is no bubble inside the oil. So yeah, now let's do the paper test. I'm gonna put a drop on the paper. We'll check it later. Now moving to the next oil, that is Cajeput oil, and it's also mainly used in medical purposes and in henna also. Now we are going to perform the same test on this one too. Now let's pour this into the bottle. And the very special thing about the Cajeput oil is its color. That is a pretty light green. As you can see, after shaking it too hard, there's no sign of any bubble left here. So yeah, now let's do the paper test, and the smell is pretty good. Moving to the last oil, which is Mehendi oil. It can't be produced without using of a chemical. So yeah, it contains some amount of chemical, and it will produce some bubbles too, showing that the chemical is present in the oil. So We are going to demonstrate with the same test. So I'm gonna shake it. So after shaking it pretty well, you can see the bubbles present inside it. They are pretty visible, I think. Now let's put a drop of the oil on the paper. While we wait for the oils we put on the paper to show their result, we will talk about the Mehendi oil. It is mainly used in henna cones only. After 10 to 15 minutes, we will check the paper again, and the oil which contained chemical should stay on the paper, while the oil which does not contain any chemical should disappear. So after 10 minutes, as you can see, the oil which does not contain any chemical are vanished from the paper, while the oil which is Mehendi oil, which has some essential chemicals in it, is still on the paper. So our test is complete, and thanks for watching the video, and please share it with your fellow henna artists.